Let's find the right FLEXiO for you. There are 3 types of sprayers: handheld, stationary, and direct feed. Handheld sprayers give you mobility to move with you around your project. The 2000 is a base model handheld sprayer with 2 power settings: low for stains and high for paints. This model includes the iSpray front end and is great for fences and decks. The 3000 is the most versatile sprayer with 10 power settings to customize for any project. This model includes the iSpray front end and the detail finish front end that's great for doors, trim, and cabinets, and a hard case for easy carrying and storage. The 3000 is great for interior walls, exterior siding, and spindles. Stationary sprayers place the weight on the ground and not in your hand, allowing you to work longer with less fatigue. The 4000 is a stationary sprayer with adjustable power settings on the base, and it comes with a 15-foot hose, giving you 30 feet of working area. It includes the iSpray front end and the detail finish front end that's great for doors, trim, and cabinets, and a bag for carrying and storage. The 4000 is great for interior walls, patio furniture, and decks. The 5000 is a stationary sprayer that has the power switch and power settings directly on the gun for control right in your hand. It includes the iSpray front end and the detail finish front end with an integrated hard case for carrying and storage. The 5000 is great for interior walls, sheds, and patio furniture. Direct feed sprayers draw the paint directly from a container for continuous painting for your large projects. The 970 is a direct feed sprayer with 2 power settings: low for stains and high for paints. It draws paint directly from a 1 or 5 gallon container. The 970 comes with the iSpray front end and is great for house exteriors, long fences, and multi-room remodels. Whatever your project, Wagner has a sprayer for you. Learn more at wagnerspraytech.com. Why a paint sprayer is better than a brush and roller. Get the job done 10 times faster than using a brush with a professional, consistent finish. Why a FLEXiO? FLEXiO gives you the control to put the paint right where you want it, with less mess and complete coverage. The FLEXiO line is ideal for interior walls and exterior projects and has the power to spray paint or stain directly from the can. FLEXiO sprayers have interchangeable front ends with lock-and-go technology. The iSpray front end is great for large surfaces, and the detail front end for fine finishing, like trim. You adjust the controls for paint flow and direction based on your project, and cleanup only takes 5 minutes. Just rinse and clean with soap and water.